Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tenzin here. Today I'm in Losel Café. This is one of the newest and biggest cafe shop in Mundgod Tibetan settlement. This cafe shop belongs to Losel Monastery. Every evening it gets super crowded, but between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is so quiet, not so rush. The perfect time for me is to relax and enjoy a cup of coffee. This cafe actually belongs to Losel Monastery, and all the staff here are junior monks who are still students studying Buddhist philosophy. They take turns working here. Each group works for about 3 months, and then a new group of monks take over. It's such a great life experience for them alongside their studies. All the pastry and drinks are freshly made by the monks, and the prices are super affordable. That's one of the things I love most about this place. So let me show you what I ordered today. I ordered white forest. It's made by monk. I got my coffee. Got my French fries. Let me show you how much I spent. White forest 70 bucks. Peri fries 50 bucks. Cafe latte 90 bucks. Total 210 rupees. I'm going to pay my bills. Billing counter. And order cake for birthday and special festival. Monks can make extremely beautiful cakes here. Done with my coffee. Now I'm heading out for some grocery shopping, and then I'm going to cook a healthy meal for myself. Guys, I'm here in vegetable shop. Last. I'm going to pick one celery, a bunch of celery, and I picked some tomato, some orange. Done with vegetable shopping. Now I'm going to buy milk. So I'm in monastery shop. I'm going to grab some milk. Milk. $25. Look at this too. Oh my god. Cute dog.